Yeah, hey everybody. I'm up at my truck or whatnot. I'm in my truck. I've been here about like an hour. Hell no, I've been here like 2-3 hours. Been trying to charge each battery for an hour. And I don't know, the truck been dead. Here go the truck right here. But it's been dead for a little minute. So I'm finna go ahead, just snatch these damn batteries out, take them jumps to the house, and shit, go that route. Put them on the plug up charge or whatnot. Snatch these junk out real quick. Really didn't want to take them out because, as you can see, look at this ground. You know, look, here go the truck. If you want that junk, it's for sale. At this point, I don't really give a damn like how much a person give me. I just want to know a motherfucker gonna use this shit. You know, you feel me? So it is what it is. Let me get to work. Yeah, I'm finna snatch these motherfuckers out real quick. Snatch these out. I had my jumper cables or whatnot plugged up. It is what it is. I already had my 15mm socket ready. Shit, I thought I heard something. Shit. I'm about to get up and run. I ain't really good with the wildlife. I'm gonna snatch these junk out real quick. You know, I done did this several times, so I kind of know on this truck where everything, how to hook it up. But I advise y'all, if y'all changing the batteries on your truck, get your cell phone out, take a overall big picture of all the batteries hooked up together, as well as each individual battery, before you start taking it apart. Cause you can hook things up wrong, short stuff out, and you don't want to go through that. Oh crap. I don't know, guys. At this point, I'll scrap it because I'm tired of paying for parking, and I'm tired of dealing with people talking about, I want to buy the truck. I want to buy the truck, and when you then when you get in, you know, I gotta take out work because I got a regular job now, you know, to show the truck to somebody, and I'm spending my money, you know, on buying batteries and all of that kind of stuff for it. And then people, I hit the truck listed for like 15,000 on Facebook Marketplace, but you know, you got people saying, mission to you, I got $10,000 cash right now for it, and then you know, you got it posted for the price you want. So just for shits and giggles, I say, yeah, I'll take it for 10,000. Know what I'm saying? I go ahead and take it for the 10. You know. Then they start messaging you. So, but then you got other people. Hey, I need to see maintenance records. It's a $15,000 truck. What do you want? Know what I'm saying? You want a brand new truck? Shit, if you gotta see all these maintenance records, know what I'm saying, rebuilds, everything, know what I'm saying, if you gotta see all of that or whatnot, if you gotta see all of it, shit, just take that 15,000 to the dealership and use that as a down payment. I ain't gonna lie, these batteries heavy. These batteries heavy. Oh shit. I'ma sit these down in there. Sit all these down in there also. Cause I don't wanna take them off. I got kids. Kids are touch stuff, move stuff around, all the above.
Which one?
So. But part of me wanna go ahead and and just keep it and just use this as a learning truck, you know, to where shit, I tear the whole engine down and trial and error. If I fuck up, I just fuck up. But at least I can learn off of it. You know, just learn how to rebuild it. Sitting down on that gravel. Working with these batteries. I got gravel in my damn shoe, in my boot. Yeah, I won't ever really discourage nobody from getting in the truck. I've been doing it for so long. I done did it at every level. Company, lease purchase, owner, operator. Had my own authority. That I won't ever discourage nobody. Shit. It's so hot out here, it's like 90, 98. The heat index like 115. So but yeah, here go that junk. So if you want that junk, hit me up. Hit me up. My name the same on every social media site. I just ain't gonna get the I just ain't gonna get the stuff in there, you know. So it is what it is. I ain't got them automatic though. Tailgate lift. It would help if I get up in this one. Oh shit. Let's get the earth circulating. Cause I'm about to, you know. Alright, everybody.